Hello and welcome once again to the Waters and Stanton video channel. This is a news item which I wanted to get out very quickly because something quite remarkable has happened. I don't quite know the reason behind it, but we've got a great deal on a couple of Yaesu items. The Yaesu FT-710 field. That's the one without the extra speaker. There's a new cashback that we've negotiated. It's £170 off the regular price, plus our discount price, of course. Plus you get a free hat and you get a free base station microphone. What does that mean for you? What it means is once you get the cash back from Yaesu, you'll have paid just £770. Yeah, I repeat that. £770 for a brand new radio, full warranty, and you get a baseball cap, and you get a matching base station microphone. And on top of that, we'll also do part exchange. This really is an unbelievable price. We've got a similar deal on the AESS, check that out as well. But really and truly, I mean, I've used the Yaesu FT-710 for nearly 2 years now. It's a cracking transceiver. It is one of the best HF transceivers going. Forget the price, it is one of the best HF transceivers going. It's fully SDR. When I first switched it on nearly 2 years ago, I was gobsmacked how the receiver performed. It was a low noise receiver. It's unbelievable performance. So there we are. That's probably the number one news item. The Yaesu FT-710 field you can get for £770 net once you get your cash back, and you get the freebies, and you can do part exchange. I can't believe it, but it's true. The next one on the list is the FTX1 field, the lovely QRP 10 watts transceiver on 160 meters through to 70 sems. Cashback now is £255, something like, yes, £255. That means to say that you get the FTX1 field for just over £1,100. That's a good price for a radio that will cover 160 meters through to 70 sems. It's got dual receive and separate input ports for both HF and VHF. And you not only get that, you also get a free baseball cap, and you get 2 free accessories. I think one is the front handles and there's something else as well. I just put up on the screen now so you can see whether, hopefully I've got the figures right. But anyway, the figures on the screen are the right figures. Unbelievable offer, unbelievable. And of course you can still do part exchange as well. And if you're in the market for the Optima, there's £170 cash back there. You can get the Optima now for just over £1,700 once you've got the cash back. And surprise, surprise, you get, yes, a baseball cap, and you get a portable antenna system as well, all thrown in for that price. Of course, there's other cashbacks as well. I'm going to put them all up on the screen now. You'll see them on the screen now, all the cashbacks that apply. And the good news is it's been extended until the end of July, so you've got about 6 weeks. All I can say is it's quite remarkable, these offers. And at the risk of repeating myself, don't forget that you can also do part exchange. And our part exchange system is very, very quick indeed. You can either pay the full price, get the goods tomorrow, we'll pick up your second-hand item, and provided it's as you describe, we'll honour what we've quoted you over the phone or in an email. Alternatively, you can send the item in for us to check over, and we'll give you a call back and say, okay, it's worth this, and you then pay the balance and get the new item. I think most people go for paying full price of the new item, letting us collect the goods, and provided they are as you describe them, then we will honour that and give you a refund on your debit or credit card, and that will go through within a couple of days of you paying out the original price. So in effect, by the end of the month, you'll be paying just the net price, in other words, the balance. So there are some great news, some great prices, and I didn't expect to be on this quickly after the video we published last night, but there we are. That's the way of the world. And I always like to let you know of things that I think are really important as soon as we know them. And we just heard this morning, which is Friday morning, we just heard this morning about these deals. And we've sort of wheeled and dealed, and we've got some great deals for you. In the meantime, you take care, you enjoy your ham radio, and look forward to seeing you, as usual, in the next video. Bye for now.